So I need rosemary and salt. Hello, welcome back to German Brew. Today, again, our traditional mead from 1669, but now in a modern version and with some changes. One of the changes is we put also self. So we have Baileaves, rosemary and self. And the other big change is we make here some kind of tea. We cook it first, you know, the last time. We cook also the honey, if not, here is a video. And yes, this time we make just cooking the herbs. We also, of course, have our lemon peel. And yes, now we will see what we will do. Here you can see how I make the tea, and I also put in nutrients already inside. Okay, here we have the rosemary, the self already, and we put also 2 bay leaves. This we will cook now for maybe 20 minutes. Also inside 1 lemon. So just cut it, throw it within the pot. So at the end, turning on again on full heat. And putting some nutrients inside. I filter my water because we have here a lot of chlorine inside the water. While the water is still filtering, we use, of course, our honey from the local beekeeper just 30 kilometers away. And yes, it's baking honey, so it has a little bit higher water, but it's still good honey. And it's a forest honey. The honey is also crystallized. We will make 5 liters. That means we need 3.5 glasses of honey, if I calculated right. I also want a little bit higher alcohol level this time. You see, I can already mixed it. Now we still have some left. This one have how many liters? I think it exactly has 5. It's difficult to see. Yes, it exactly has 5 liters here. So, okay, 5 liter. Just mix it, just drop and make a mess. Let's check the gravity. That looks good, really good. Okay, that looks really good because we're higher than 1.1. Exactly, we are 1.120. So that's really high, but that's okay. I put nutrients inside, and we're using 18% yeast, mead yeast from Alcomat, it's called. You can also order it in England, in all the Europe. The page is breva.eu. So I put it here in the comments. Okay, I need to get this into this without making a big mess. Put this already here inside. It's floating. So the rest I just put by myself inside. I just saw this package have for easy opening. And we just will take 1 teaspoon. That's enough. Okay, very good. The yeast is already inside. Now we just need to put an airlock. Airlock. Some alcohol. Wipe. Okay, we are done. So the meat is inside, the yeast is inside, we mix it again, and we have an airlock. Let's have already pressure. Let me take a little bit out. An airlock with pressure. No problem. Soon, anyway, the yeast will start and have a lot of fun. This one I put again somewhere dark, somewhere warm, because the yeast like 25 degrees. So yes, and it's written it produce aromatic, create an aromatic mead with a mild and appealing flavor. So we will see the rest of the yeast go in the fridge again, and this one on my shelf. If you like the video, here are 2 more. One is the original from 1669 recept, the start and the end, the playlist, and the other is what YouTube thinks you will like. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like it. We see us the next time. Bye.